How to mirror your phone to your PC. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we will learn how can we use our phone in our PC. It means linking your phone to your PC using USB or Wi-Fi connection. For this, open your browser and search for strcpy. This is an Android screen mirroring tool, also known as or pronounced as Screen Copy. This application is a mirroring application which will allow us to control an Android device from a Windows, Mac OS or Linux desktop computer. If you scroll down, you can see various benefits that you can get as well as the functionalities that we get along with it. So firstly, we have to download this latest version on our PC. Once that is done, we also require an additional application which is SDK Platform Tools. For that, open a new tab and then search for SDK Platform Tools. From here, download SDK Platform Tools for Windows. Once you have downloaded both on your PC, you are supposed to copy all the files from your Screen Copy and then replace it with the files of the platform tools. Once you have done all this, you have to now go to your Android device, connect a USB, and from the USB settings, you have to turn on transfer files. Now you can come back to your device and you have to search for strcpy, toggle it on, and just by that, you'll be able to get your mirror of your Android in your PC. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.